Well, dear students, let us study today how to change direct into indirect speech. Okay, so I will just giving you some examples and some formulas through which you can proceed. So first of all, we'll study declarative sentences and how to change from direct into indirect speech. Now, indirect speech, this is known as your reported speech. Now, speech is of two types. One can be direct, another one can be indirect. So, your indirect speech is otherwise known as your reported speech, or you may call this also indirect narration, or you can say also narration change. Now let us study how to change a declarative form. So let me cite one example for you, and through which we will see what are the basic changes that we have while changing from direct into indirect. Ram says, I am ill. This is known as your reporting verb. This part is known as your reporting verb, and this is called your speech. Is it clear? So this part, this verb, it says your reporting verb, and this is known as your speech, which can be put within inverted comma. So this is in direct form. This speech is in direct form. Now how to change this? Now simply I will note it down as usual up to your reporting verb. Now, after writing my reporting verb says, I need to use that in declarative form. After your reporting verb, you have to write the demonstrative pronoun that. Then this pronoun will change into he as for this noun. This is your third person singular. So of course this first person singular number will automatically change into third person singular number he. If instead of Ram any girl's name is there, so you can change your pronoun into she. So Ram, it's male gender, so you can simply turn into he. Now as for he, once you are changing the pronoun I into he, then your am will change into is, and the remaining portion as it is you have to note it down. So what are the changes that I am making use? I simply wrote down your reporting verb says, after this I simply put that, then I changed the pronoun I into he as for the subject. Then as per your tense pattern, instead of he pronoun is helping should go, and the remaining portion I wrote it down. Is it clear? Because I didn't make any necessary change because my reporting word it is in present tense simple form. Now whenever your reporting verb is in present simple, now after reporting please put that and change your pronoun as per the subject, and extra change you no need to make. Now I will be showing you whenever your repeating verb is in past tense. So what kind of change we have basically. Let us study one reference from past tense and I will show you how the speech from direct it is changing something different in indirect speech. My second example, Ram said, I am ill. Now reporting, up to reporting you have to as usual write Ram said that your comma and inverted comma it should be removed. Ram said that, then as per the pronoun simply it will turn into he and now this will become was because you reporting it is in past simple. So whenever it is in present tense only you change your pronoun and accordingly as per tense you proceed. But whenever you are reporting it says about past tense, then you need to change also the helping verb into its respective past tense. Is it clear? I will just showing you one chart, especially when you are converting direct into indirect speech, and the chart exclusively it's all about the changes of tense form, especially while converting from direct into indirect. Let us study. Now every formula you have to mug up because certain rules that we are having you have to get by heart it. You see, I will just writing one reporting word column, one your direct speech, another one your indirect speech. Clear? This is your direct speech and this is your indirect speech. So what are the changes that we are having? For example, if your reporting verb is in simple past simple suppose. If it is in simple past and you find in your direct speech present simple. Now this present simple will change into past simple. Clear? So present simple it is changing into past simple. Similarly, if you are reporting again, this is in simple past. In direct speech, if you find present progressive or present continuous, then you are changing into past continuous or past progressive. Clear? Now number 3, if you find again past simple past, and here you find present perfect, then you are changing present perfect into past perfect. Clear? Number 2, if you find again simple past And in your direct speech, if you notice present perfect progressive, present perfect progressive, then we are simply converting present perfect progressive into past perfect progressive. Past perfect progressive. So this is the pattern, this is the chart which you are given, and as per the chart you can solve any declarative, any interrogative format also. Is it clear? This is all about the tense form. So another tense form, few tenses are there, how they are changing, I will be teaching you later on. First of all, we will study these things. So look at the variation here. In your reporting column, if you simply find simple past like said, then if you notice these forms, all the present tense forms, they are changing into past tense forms. Is it clear? I am not changing the form simple, progressive, perfect or perfect, progressive. Rather simply I am changing the tense. Present tense into past tense. The simple form, it remains as it is. In indirect speech also, progressive, perfect, even it is not changing also. Only I am changing your tense form. So remember that these all forms you have to learn and how they are changing while you are doing your indirect speech. Clear? Now I will be just giving you example related to these things of present simple, it is changing into past simple, present progressive, how it is changing into past progressive. These things I will be just writing on board for your understanding. Okay, let's study these changes. Example. Radha said, I go to school. Radha said, I go to school. See your reporting. This is a past simple. Your reporting, it is in simple past. Now you see your speech. This is your direct speech. So it is again in present simple. Your verb, it is in simple present. Now how I am converting this present simple into past simple, because already you are given the chart. Now what will be your answer? Now this pronoun will change as per the subject. Radha, proportional singular number, it's female, the gender is female. So you are simply converting your pronoun I into he, and you are writing Radha said that she, it's a girl, Radha is a girl, so you can change your pronoun I into she. Then simple present will simply change into past simple. So go past tense form is went. Radha said that she went to school. Full stop. Now, comma and inverted comma, both the parts I have removed while converting from direct into indirect speech. So any indirect form, it will not take any comma and it will not take any inverted comma. You remember that those punctuation marks that you have to remove. Okay. Now another example of present simple, how to change into past simple. He said, I play cricket. Simple present. So here, as it is, you write down said. After that, you need to put that pronoun. Then this will change as for this third person singular number. Now simple present verb, it will be changed into simple past. So he played cricket. Now you understood that how present simple form it is changing into past simple form. Okay, now I will be just giving you the example of present progressive, how it is changing into past progressive. Ram said, I am going to school. Okay. Now, reporting verb, it is in simple past. Your speech, this is in present imperfect or progressive form. Now, how this present progressivity changing into past progressive, you see. After reporting, you have to put that, you write down as it is, whatever the reporting verb you are given, don't change it, remove comma, put that, Ram said that. Then this pronoun will change as per your subject. He and be replaced by was going through school. Okay, Ram said that he was going to school. Because the tense form previously I told you, you have to go through the video. Okay, so know the tense completely so that every form will be easy for you. Otherwise, see any chart also you are given, still you might fail to do it. So know the tense form very clearly, because tense is essential for you to understand any topic of grammar. May it be conditional clause also, may it be active into passive voice while you are changing, or any indirect tense form also, indirect speech also whenever you are understanding. So tense is very essential. Okay. Now another more example I am giving you. Sita said, I am dancing. Clear? Now this is in present progressive, so we are converting this present progressive into past progressive because the repeating verb it is in past simple. Okay, so you after repeating you as usual write down Sita said that. This form will change into she because Sita is a female gender. So Sita was dancing. Sita was dancing. So whenever you are reporting is in past tense, so please note that you are also changing the present tense form into past tense form. Clear? Tense only you are changing. Okay. So I will just show you another example of perfect. Then I will come back to perfect progressive. Then after that we will go with other tense form how they are changing also. My father said, I have repaired my bicycle. I have repaired my bicycle, my father said. So this reporting it is in simple past. So till that portion as it is, you have to write my father said that. Even you can change your reporting said into told also. But if you simply write said also, then there is no mistake. So my father said that this pronoun will change into he, had simply change into had. As usual you go on writing, because you are changing my will become he is bicycle. I will be just teaching you also how different pronouns they are taking, other pronoun form also, how the adverb forms they are changing also. Okay. Now apart from your adverb and your pronoun form also, other necessary changes also that we have to see. We will work out here how they are changing in indirect speech. Okay. So this is the best example of your present perfect, how it is changing into past perfect in indirect speech. Now another example of the last tense form, that is your perfect progressive. My father said I have been going, for example. Okay. So direct speech, this is in present tense continuous form. So we are changing this into past progressive form, past perfect progressive. My father said that. Then you change the pronoun into he, then this will become had been going. Full stop. Okay. So my father said that he had been going. Okay. Now I will just give you some basic tricks, how to catch up your indirect speech, that you just see the blackboard very carefully. Okay. So test tricks that I am giving you to find out or to solve.